How to look at deleted messages on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can look at your deleted messages on Instagram. If you open up Instagram app and head into your chats by tapping on the chat icon at the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to view all your chats here and you'll be able to open up and view them. However, if you have deleted a particular chat recently and you want to view it, what you want to do is simply head back to your home page and head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon. And once here, what you want to do is tap on the three horizontal lines icon that you can find at the top right corner of your screen, and here head into your activity. Once on your activity, scroll all the way down below, and at the end of your screen you'll find the option download your information. What you want to do is simply tap on download your information and request a download. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to select types of information that you want to download, or you can request for your whole information. Now I'll just tap on select types of information that I want to download, and I'll go on tap on messages. Simply tap on messages and you'll be able to download only your messages here. Simply tap on next and tap on submit a request. Once you do this, you can see your information is being prepared for download. We'll let you know when it's ready. Once your information is ready, it will send you a notification on your connected Gmail or email, or if not, Instagram app will notify you that your data is ready to be downloaded, and once it's ready you can download it and view at your messages, even the one that you deleted. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.